Hi everyone! In this video, we will translate an English sentence into an inequality and solve. Translate and solve. 45 greater than k is at least negative 313. The phrase greater than might be kind of confusing because we are working with inequalities. However, 45 greater than k is not an inequality. We did not say 45 is greater than k. It just says 45 greater than k. This means that I am adding 45 to something. This is one of those tricky phrases that reverses the order. So it's not 45 plus something, it is something plus 45. And that something is k. So k plus 45 is 45 greater than k. Now the next part says, is at least negative 313. Is at least translates into greater than or equal to. And this makes sense. You can think of it as, I have at least one friend. I have at least $1. I have at least 2 apples, meaning that all of those are at the very bottom. I have more, but that's the very least amount that I know for sure is the very bottom of whatever we're working for. So there's ample amount of room to have more. So this is greater than or equal to. And the answer is negative 313. Now we can go ahead and solve by subtracting 45 from both sides. On the left side it cancels, so we have k is greater than or equal to negative 358. And let's go ahead and graph this just so we can see the visual. So we're going to go from negative 358 because k is larger than negative 358, where that's a big number. So I'm going to put 0 here, and we'll just say this is negative 358. And because it is or equal to, this means that we include that negative 358. And because that's the very least amount and everything else can be larger than that, that means that all of the numbers larger than negative 358 are included in this. And so if we were writing this in interval notation, we would start at negative 358, going from left to right. And because we can include it, it will be a bracket, or comma, and then the very largest it goes is to positive infinity. And because we cannot include positive infinity, we use a parenthesis. So here's our interval notation as the solution to this inequality, and we're all done.